Our next award is in the medium overlay specialty mix category. The winner is IH35, Williamson County, Austin District. The work was completed by Lone Star Paving and Asphalting. The 23,000-ton PFC project shows no visible roller marks or fat spots. Transverse joints are very smooth. It delivers a great ride with minor issues. Longitudinal joints are straight with very few paver stops. The mat is very uniform and smooth. Excellent work on a very busy roadway. Congratulations to Lone Star Paving, Asphalt Inc., and the Austin District for a job well done.